Hello everyone, this is Dennis. We are a Kaihang Display Technology Co., Ltd., founded in 2016. Today I'm going to take you on a close tour of our factory. This is a laboratory where some basic experience will be done. This is a measuring instrument, a complete set of high-temperature and humid machines. This is LCD glass cutting machine room. We have two professional automatic cutting machines. Simple, efficient and fast. This is packing area and the sampling area. This is the OK inspection area, outgoing quality control. Here are some materials, as well as some regular products in stock. Lastly, entry is our production workshop. Before entering the production workshop, we need to put on our clean clothes. You can see. Welcome to visit the factory.